Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I will be replacing 2nd Gen VW Crafter and 1st Gen MAN TGE rear bumper reflectors. These reflectors don't have screws but rather clips, so the only tool you need is a flathead screwdriver. You would need to pull the reflector towards you by inserting a flathead between the bumper and reflector. Mine was broken, so I inserted the flathead wherever. However, if you are going to reuse it, you should insert the flathead from the opposing side. Reflectors have been required equipment on cars dating back to the 60s, and have been found on cars far beyond that. The purpose is most obviously for visibility at night, but they also serve another purpose, and that is to determine your car's direction and orientation on the road. Inserting the new reflector is the same way. Insert the part where there is a long clip and slowly push it until you hear the clips connect with the bumper. The inserted reflectors were not OEM genuine. As my customer was cheap, so I hit it a few times so all the clips connected. However, genuine doesn't require hitting. Missing, insecure, or damaged car reflectors are illegal and your car will fail its MOT if it doesn't have the right reflectors. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.